Excuse me? Enjoying the sweat. What I labored for good 18 years. And you think you can just boom from nowhere to take over it? No, baby girl. You're not smart. You should talk to your husband now. She can't be big pain where she never solved. I have labored so hard. And by that reason, I am here. Take what belongs to me.
Madam, I beg you, keep quiet. Kill us, what happened? What happened? Oh, when the kid on there? Kill her now. You don't want to sin. I don't live in the same room. It's a blowing green. What happened?
Are you done?
Because I kept quiet the other day.
I beg you. Are you done ranting? Are you? Anyways, anything against it, you call your lawyer. You meet in court. Guys, get that car keys from her.
Exactly, this is what I have been waiting for. Give me the key. Come on, will you submit the key?